Have you ever heard, just think positive and your dreams will come true? Manifestation is everywhere. Celebrities swear by it, TikTok's obsessed. But is there science behind it, or is it just wishful thinking? Today we're diving into the psychology, neuroscience, and quantum physics of manifestation to answer, does it really work? Plus, I will share 3 simple exercises you can try right now to test it for yourself. Stick around, the truth might surprise you. Hit that like button if you've ever tried manifesting and subscribe to join the journey. Manifestation is the idea that your thoughts, beliefs, and intentions can shape your reality. From The Secret to TikTok's Lucky Girl Syndrome, it's about focusing on what you want: money, love, success, and believing it's yours. Sounds magical, right? But before you roll your eyes, let's break it down. Olympic athletes visualize their performance, entrepreneurs picture their empire. Is this woo-woo, or is it something really real happening? Let's find out with some science and a quick exercise to get you started. Here's your first exercise, the 30-second goal clarity challenge. Grab a pen or your phone, write down one specific thing you want to manifest. Like, I want a new job in marketing, or I want to feel more confident. Be clear, not vague. Take 30 seconds right now, pause the video if you need to. This primes your brain to notice opportunities tied to that goal. We'll build on it later. Drop your goal in the comments to commit to it. What are you manifesting? Let's talk about the brain. The reticular activating system, or RAS, it's like a filter that decides what you notice. Ever buy a red car and suddenly see red cars everywhere? That's your reticular activating system. When you focus on a goal like that job you just wrote down, your brain starts spotting opportunities. A 2011 study in the Journal of Experimental Social Psychology found athletes who visualized specific outcomes improved performance by up to 15%. But it's not just thinking, it's acting. Tools like affirmations or vision boards keep your goal front and center, rewiring your brain. Let's try a quick exercise to make this stick. Ready for exercise 2? This is the reticular activating system activation visualization. Close your eyes for 30 seconds. Don't worry, I'll guide you. Picture the goal you wrote down earlier. Imagine it happening vividly. Where are you? Who is there? How do you feel? For example, if it's a job, see yourself in the office, shaking hands, feeling confident. Take a deep breath and really feel it. Pause the video if you need more time. This trains your brain to spot opportunities tied to that goal. Cool, right? How did it feel? Share it in the comments if you felt a spark of motivation. Now, neuroscience. When you visualize something vividly, like you just did, your brain lights up in the same areas as when you experience it. A 2014 Harvard study showed mental imagery activates the prefrontal cortex tied to decision making. This means imagining success primes better choices. The placebo effect also plays a role. Believing in manifestation boosts confidence. And the 2018 Psychological Bulletin meta-analysis found positive expectations improve outcomes in health and work. Let's test this with a final exercise to lock in that confidence. Here's exercise number 3. The confidence boosting affirmation. Repeat after me out loud or in your head. I am capable, focused, and open to opportunities. Say it 3 times and really feel it. Feel it deep inside in your heart. This isn't just fluff, repeating positive statements. They can rewire your neural pathways, as shown in a 2016 study in social cognitive and affective neuroscience. Try this daily for a week and notice how your mindset shifts. Pause now, and if you want to try it. Did you say the affirmation? Comment, I did it, to stay accountable. Some gurus say manifestation is about matching the universe's frequency, or quantum physics, pointing to the observer effect, where observing a practical changes its behavior. But quantum physics applies to subatomic levels, not your daily life. No evidence says thinking about a car makes it appear. Still, your mindset creates ripples. A 2020 Frontiers in Psychology study found that optimistic people experience more lucky coincidences, likely because they've opened to opportunities. So your vibes don't bend the universe, but they shape your actions. Do you believe in vibes? Drop your thoughts below. So does manifestation work? It's not magic, but it's not nonsense. The science says focusing on clear goals, like in exercise number 1, rewires your brain via the reticular activating system. Visualizing vividly, like in exercise number 2, primes your brain for action. And affirmations like exercise number 3 boost confidence, backed by studies showing positive expectations drive results. But you need action. Manifestation is a mental gym. Write your goal, visualize it, affirm your confidence, then act. Try those exercises this week and you might be surprised. Ready to test manifestation? Do those 3 exercises, write your goal, visualize it daily, and repeat that affirmation. Start today, it takes just a minute. Share your progress in the comments and let's see what happens. If you love this science-backed dive, hit that like button, share with a friend, and subscribe for more videos on leveling up your life. See you in the next one.